This is a good store for John here.
Candies.
Toys and
I hope
candies,
you will not see
chocolates.
that.
Nutcracker or something like that.
And this is Eiffel Tower, right?
Yeah, this is the Eiffel Tower replica from Paris.
Okay.
Santa Claus here. And if I look, I will show you with John. John don't like it. He's scared of him.
Empanada. Magkano isa?
95 po ba?
Tapos yung shrimp.
Hello, John.
Where are you going?
Yoo-hoo!
Yay! Like that!
It's looking good. So that's what we do because, okay, we already did a good long ride. And we want to eat a bit before we really
So how you
start.
call that one at up? There's a statue.
This tower there, you mean?
No, that one.
Okay, so this one, how we call that? Nutcracker or something like that.
And this is Eiffel Tower, right?
Yeah, this is the Eiffel Tower replica from Paris.
Okay.
Then we have Santa Claus here. And if I look, I will show you with John. John don't like it. He's scared of him. They are not yet friendly together. They don't know each other that much. Still young.
He look like your grandfather.
Yeah, my father have a white beard, so my father in Quebec, he's the real
Oh my God,
Santa
he's
Claus.
scared of his statues.
he's the real Santa Claus because look, John is even again hiding there. What are you doing? It's fine.
Let's go.
It's a nutcracker.
We will eat. We will go and find and eat it.
So I guess the choice of me and Joyce will be here. Shawarma bowl here.
Yeah.
And maybe there's another restaurant later, an extra. Let's go in there.
Okay, the regular is 100 pesos.
Yes, ma'am, shawarma.
Okay.
Regular. Oh, pwede na ba yan?
Yes po.
Shawarma. Okay. Rice for you? Shawarma rice?
Yeah, it will be same as you.
Okay. Dalawa.
Big one, small.
Yung regular?
Yung regular.
Okay.
Regular please, sugar rice.
I would like something shrimp there. Later.
I will get an empanada from the other restaurant after.
John, you come here. That's a light.
guess
No,
we're-
don't touch it.
We're both good for a
Come here. Oh,
big lunch.
do you want spicy?
Hindi po. Pero yung isa konti lang, parang half.
Thank you po. Yun na lang po yung payment. Thank you.
Thank you.
Put it on the supot, so
Pakisupot. Deng.
still need to walk.
Doon lang kami. Maghanap kami ng upuan.
I need some time to hold John and the camera.
Samahin
So
ko na, ma'am.
Sige.
and then, will you eat with us?
Thank you.
Eat a good meal.
Let's go.
Thank you. Let's go, John. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Okay. This is a good store for John here.
Candies.
Toys and
I hope
candies,
you will not see
chocolates.
that.
You remember where was the other one?
There.
On the
just
corner there?
Suribao.
Soli Bao
So
restaurant.
actually, you try to look for our food, but we fall on our still favorite one.
Yeah, it's often those one.
We don't want to try new.
We tried new last Christmas. I remember it was something different
Yeah.
at the same event. Okay, John, look at here.
Ay, ano ba yun? What is this? Empanada?
Ilan po ba?
Magkano isa?
95 po ba?
Tapos yung shrimp. Ay, shrimp ba yan? Ay, yan na ito?
Buboy.
Okoy, 45. Isang empanada, isang okoy.
Dahil yun, take out po.
Come on, get my
It's
hand.
even shaded.
Come, we'll go sit there. I guess John feel more to move than sit. We already have a we just did a ride from home Sablan, so I guess he's not in the mood to sit too much. We will eat. Let's see if John like that one.
It's hard.
Have shrimp. It's first time that he tried that. I will tell you.
He's trying to compare his
Compare.
hungry.
So he's in the age that he don't like to try too much many new things. But I guess he's hungry now because he tried both without hesitation. So good sign. I hope he will develop a bit more taste for trying new things. He need to grow. Cannot only eat stuff like milk, rice, and
You see,
know,
you can, my
junk
gosh.
food. My God, he's hungry. That's good.
I'm telling you something.
So okay, we'll eat. Let's try. See you later. We just bought tickets, and John will now try this one. So mostly it's 90 pesos, and you have a 3-minute ride.
340. Mamayang gabi daw, okay na to.
Joyce, come here. I will open your microphone. Your microphone did not open. It was closed for some time.
Hello, John. You will drive Johnny. Bye.
Okay, so we just bought a ticket for him. It's 90 pesos for 3 minutes. So
Yay, bye.
I guess he will like that.
One is the yellow button too.
And it's first time that he tried that without us. I'm filming, and Joyce, I guess she don't
I
like
see
to
there's
turn
many
around.
young kids.
She will get
You
busy, I guess.
like it from the face.
Hello, John.
Where are you going?
Yoo-hoo!
Yay, like that. What's that? You like it? Bye. We're starting to move.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yay. Yay. Oh, that's enough. It's good. Huh? Wow.
Yay! Bravo, John.
Let's go. Say bye. Bye. Thank you.
So did you like it?
We'll go to the other one. Eh? How about the car there?
We'll get one more.
Yeah.
Okay. We're now on a place that John already know. It's a place that have fishes. Wanna see fish, John?
You forgot it. There's fish there.
Fish.
The other side.
Look. Look, look. There's
Oh,
fish
don't
here.
jump, ah. Following.
Wow. Look here. You remember those? Ah, they're nice.
Oh my god, they're interacting.
There's
No,
many
don't tap.
parts.
Don't tap.
They're looking for a food. They think you will bring a food.
Don't go there.
Don't let him
It's
touch the
dirty.
water.
See, there's fish here. Oh, you sit down, sit down.
You would like to jump there?
You don't want me to touch to
No,
touch
no.
me.
He balanced on the other side. Let's take a look a bit on the stars. While Joyce take a little pause, she's on the other side there with John. There's a waterfall, so let's see what they have with the stars. Samosa. I tried that last year. The same store is back this year, so I know that one. Maybe this one is something like similar to churros, I guess. Yeah, churros box. It's looking good. This one, if John see that one later, he will like that. Feel of plush. But he's more on toys at this moment than the plush. He's not too much in plush for a long time now.
Yes, ma'am. 100 na lang yan, ma'am. Ayan, ma'am, 100, dalawa. Pag isa, oo. Pag isa, 60. Pwede kayo mamili, ma'am. Masarap.
Okay. I will cross on the other side there. So we're on the bicycle lane here. They put now some new restaurant. Have potato spud. Some drinks. Let me check here. Oops. Hola coffee. They have many coffee with flavors. It's good there. Let's see after. Wait. So I don't know which one come from. If it's a well-known Philippine meal, I guess so. Maybe the line. I'm not the why with the name. I'm not sure. Maybe it's Korean also. Coffee bar. They have there burgers. Chicken and fries. They made a jeepney food truck. Sausage. So this one is more a typical meal that we know from here. So John, he's appreciating the flowers. Look here. But what he prefer, it's not the flower mostly, but he already see them. So he already see the water here. Now he's appreciating those one. He's fine. He's not removing them. That's good. Wow. Smell it. It's good. Look, there's better. This one is good. Wow. Smell good, this one? Oh, he found more. Wait, you smell it. You smell it again. Try it. Does it smell good?
There's one more there. There's one more there.
One last. This one. It's a beautiful one. Yeah. Nice, he said. So he approved it. So, okay.